We are happy to announce that today we were able to flag off the final consignment of video conferencing systems that is going to enhance the learning for students in government schools in Gujarat.
When we received the purchase order to deliver 65,000 web camera and headphones to 4,500 schools across Gujarat, so you thought we will able to deliver on time.
Whether it was material management team or the manufacturing group or the testers, we all came together as one unit to meet this challenge.
The entire manufacturing unit came together and put in a tremendous amount of hard work to not just deliver ahead of schedule, but also follow our stringent ISO-driven quality standards.
Not only we have made the Make India vision of ANT a reality, but we have proven that we have capacity to deliver large number of video collaboration products in short period of time.